Hi guys, welcome to another video. Just a bit of DIY carpet fitting in a rental property. So first of all, I'm going to stick some grippers down around the edge, about 8mm off the skirting boards. It's all been redecorated, and the skirtings and walls. Excuse the quality of the video, I need to invest in some sort of GoPro or something. It's not a step-by-step tutorial, just showing you a quick time lapse of what I did. So I'm gripping into the cupboards as well because I don't want door plates, and the bit of carpet's big enough to do all the cupboards as well. So next job, underlay down. I'll just staple hammer this into place and knife around the edge. I've taken the doors off the cupboards and the bedroom door just to make it easier for me, and they probably need some planing down as well. So this is what the gripper looks like. Try to follow as close as I can to the skirting boards, keep it nice and neat. And then we're ready for the carpet. This piece of carpet was delivered way too big. There's loads of excess on it, which didn't make it any easier at all to get this in the room. So a bit of a struggle getting it laid out, but then finally cut all the excess off. A loose fit around the room. And some of that excess I'll do for the stairs later on. So it just takes a bit of getting my head around what to leave on that's going to fold into the cupboards, and leaving enough on the corners so when I stretch it I'm not short around the corners of the room. So I'm not a carpet fitter, just a bit of DIY. So this is how I do it. I just stretch it on and then fold the carpet back and cut from the underside of the carpet. Some people just put the curly blade in and just knife it from the outside, which is a lot faster, but I struggle and I tend to scratch the skirting boards when I do that. Also risk cutting the carpet short a lot more. I just find it safer and easier this way, and I get a better result. Although it is slower, but I'm not in a race. And this is the result in that bedroom, which I'm quite happy with. It's nice and tight, and it's a tidy job. And doors are back on as well. Needed a bit of planing off these. And there's no plates going into the cupboards, so it's all in one, which I like the look of. So this is how I grippered and underlaid the stairs. Just a decent gap to get the carpet in between the two grippers, and leave a bit on the end to tuck the carpet down on the underlay and the grippers. And this is me part way through it. Probably do 3 or 4 steps in one length of carpet, and just cut the carpet dead on exactly the width of the stairs. And these are how I fit the plates. So the doors, when I'm planing them, I've just used the electric plane and go in from each end of the bottom of the door, and then you don't split a lump of the timber off the door. Just work your way in from both ends. Give it a sand so it doesn't grip the carpet, and that's the door planed. and then it clears the carpet nicely. So this is the downstairs lounge. These are concrete floors, so basically same idea, but I spray glued just to prime where the grippers are going, and then used PU glue to glue individual, like 4-inch lengths of gripper down all the way around the room. And then after a few hours it's ready to carpet, and this is the finished staircase. I did like a top hat bottom step. I didn't show any of that because it was a bit of a rush job really, and trying to film and do it without some sort of body cam's difficult. But this is a finished job, which I'm fairly happy with. It's transformed the property, ready to let out to the next tenant, because it was a real mess when the last tenant came out. And it's had new windows in the front as well, so it's a nice property. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.